I'm back. Lindenwood University's College of Science, Technology, and Health sets students up for success in a variety of ways through hands-on experimental learning opportunities. Here's the latest installment of our Real Experience, Real Success series. At Lindenwood University, education is taken above and beyond, even more so in the chemistry and criminology and criminal justice programs.
We're very small, but we have the resources to do the same things that these bigger schools can do.
Amber Fregoletti is a forensics chemistry major, finding love for it 4 years ago as a freshman.
After my years being here, there isn't one person or one professor that I've come across that doesn't want any of their students to succeed, which is what really made me want to come here and now really makes me love this program.
Amber is currently participating in an internship with the St. Charles Criminalistics Laboratory, supported by adjunct faculty member Brian Hampton, who is also the lab's division director.
Yeah, I think both as an adjunct instructor at Lindenwood as well as the crime laboratory director, just looking for those opportunities to help students get some practical experience. Not a lot that they can do hands-on in the crime lab because of the nature of the evidence, but there's opportunities that they can have to see different types of cases being examined, help out with different projects going on in the crime laboratory, whether it's new equipment, new personnel coming on board, those types of things, to be able to experience what it's like to work in a crime laboratory.
Students at Lindenwood in this respective field not only get hands-on work, but they also get to learn all aspects of law enforcement.
So we focus not necessarily just on law enforcement, but we look at corrections as well as the courtroom proceedings. So all of our faculty teach to the model of what they will be experiencing, what a student will experience in the career field of which they pick.
Like Brian Hampton, Darren Marhanka has several years of criminal justice experience and is able to share the knowledge with each and every student that enrolls in Lindenwood University.
All of our faculty have many years experience within the criminal justice field, and we try to bring all that perspective in from the defense attorney perspective to the prosecutor perspective to the juvenile officer to the correctional officer, and that flows into the student as they exit out and work toward their career at the end of their graduation.
Hunter Troutman graduated from Lindenwood University a little over a year ago, and he credits the Forensic Science and Criminology and Justice program for his success in law enforcement now.
Mr. Marhanka was a police officer for many years, and he incorporated many of his stories into the class. His classes were very practical. They were a real-world experience. He brought in his previous cases and we were able to work on them. I remember matching up shell casings and being very frustrated because it was very difficult, but it was real. It was stuff that he brought in, and this is what it is. So the real-world applications was just amazing.
I would definitely recommend this because, like I said, while it's a small school, and while we're a small program, it's a very, very good program to be in, and it's not something that Lindenwood is known for, I wouldn't say, so I love recommending it to people, and I've recommended it to a lot of people.
To learn more about Lindenwood's chemistry with forensic science and criminology and criminal justice programs, visit lindenwood.edu/science.